What's up guys, welcome back to Mountain Motorsports Health and Wellness channel. Today we brought Mountain Motorsports to Roswell location. Beautiful store here in the heart of Roswell, surrounded by some saucy looking bikes as you can see. We are here this morning to educate, elevate and motivate, have some fun with the crew, get face to face with the employees and obviously kick the day off right. So come with me, let's go. Good morning! I really enjoyed coming back to Roswell, guys. Don't tell anyone. You're my favorite. No, I'm joking. What a great company to work for, and I say this every time I come to Mountain Motorsports. It is the culture, the people, the hiring process. As you know, you work with each other and you know what a cool company this is to work for. For our new people, I'm here to help you guys achieve certain goals, whether that be personal goals, health goals, fitness goals, whatever it is. We have so much resources in play for all of you. We have an app, a corporate wellness app. If you're not on that, I suggest just jumping on it. Even if you're not overly engaged in it, at least it's a resource there. We partner with First Form, so we've got a liaison trainer. She's your online trainer. It's for free. Mountain Motorsports pays for it. Not to mention the supplements that we get on a monthly basis for free. It's just a reminder to use those resources and look after yourselves. Who has had blood work in the past 6 months? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. If you are predisposed to certain things in your family, illnesses, cancer, Alzheimer's, all these things, check your I mean that, just go check your It's not crazy. If you have the high deductible insurance at Mountain Motorsports, you get a free blood work anyway. Again, this is just a reminder to look after your engine. This is our engine, right? The better we look after it now, the easier it is in the long run. But this is the one thing we have control over is our own health. Let's finish off with some games. All right, could I get, who wants to ride some kids' Stacycs? Take a Stacyc, you're gonna divide yourselves into 2 teams. Up and around that chair at the end, back, tag your partner. 3, 2, 1, go! That was awesome, guys. That was awesome. We're gonna do this once more because we've still got some time. Style, points for style, points for creativity. Okay? If you crash, you lose. If you touch on the floor, you lose. Yeah, so once again, guys, I am here as a resource for you guys, so please don't hesitate to give me an email. If you've got any questions, concerns, qualms about your own health, please just hit me up. Other than that, go attack your day, guys. Today's a great day to have a great day, and hopefully this was a little nudge in the right direction, just to be the best version of yourself, right? Again, you are responsible for everything in your life. Nothing changes if nothing changes, and be the change that you want to see in the world. Our Mountain Motorsports at Roswell location. Jesse, the man Arrowwood, he is manager here. Thank you so much for having us this morning. It's always a good time to come out to.
Bringing the fun.
For sure. You don't mind if I take this through on, guys, because these things rip. Tell us a bit about these, man, because they're relatively new to
they're awesome. It's kind of a mix of an electric mountain bike and a dirt bike all in one. We've got the Ultra Bs, a little bit bigger, with a headlight, just like this one's outfitted. Light B is a little smaller, just fun to rip around on.
Excellent, man. Well, you guys better getting quick because stocks are limited and you guys are one less. So good to see you. Thanks, buddy. See you.
Yeah, man.